Section 2. Simulating pupil interest. So based on my dissection, I'm going to use real life examples to try to describe the problem to the students. So real life examples such as donut, such as a wheel, maybe a football, maybe a piece of paper, anything at all. But what I'm trying to move to is for students to use this for interest. So how to show value of the topic. To add value to the topic, it is important to look at real life applications, such as a wheel of a car, donut, etc. and follow locally, and then begin to question students on the importance of these applications and their functions. This gives students a greater understanding of the rolling circle. I would then choose a topic using real life examples as shown above, and I provide the students with a problem associated with real life. So the sketch below shows a donut A, front elevation, and I'm trying to show how can this be rolled to B. So how are the students going to roll this to B? Are they going to roll it along the line 180? Are they going to pick it up? They must find this out themselves. So this shows value of a problem solving in the real life scenarios related to the topic. So in relation to motivating students. So given real life examples on students' interests motivate students in relation to the topic. The rolling circle of the atmosphere. This will be done with the use of a story. The story could be linked to the real life example problem that we use with the football or a wheel. The next thing I would do to motivate students is expect excellence. I would get high yet realistic goals for the students and ensure that a voice of these high expectations. This could be held setting short-term goals relating to the question and principles and celebrating when the goals are achieved. Simulating pupils' interest, literary. So from my readings, I picked out Learning by Doing, John Dewey, 2008, which is a relation to active learning, which stimulates pupils' interest by allowing them to be the constructors of their learning, which relates to constructivism approach to learning. From research, I found it important to let students participate in process as the teacher used multiple resources. By stimulating pupils' interest, it allows deep learning in the classroom. To emotions and interests of pupils. So I could begin by showing a soccer ball, by rolling a soccer ball in one revolution. So one revolution means one circle, one rotation of the circle, using a thread to draw the loci. This is just a real life example for students who might be interested in sport such as soccer and football. To appeal to the students' emotions and interests, I would try to reinforce all ideas of the topic relating to back to real life. This will allow students to associate with the topic on a deeper level. I would also link the topic with prior learning. This gets the students thinking. So just a quick reflection on what I've done so far. Again, in this section, I found it difficult to map out ways of showing huge amount of value in the topic. I also found it very tough to use real life examples associated with different students' backgrounds and their interests. I tried to be creative, but I struggled, and maybe this is something that I should work on in the progress through the task. However, I'm happy with what I completed. I believe that methods that I've shown will engage and motivate students more and show them value of relevance of the topic.